Nibble. Or the waves, can't tell. Feels like a nibble though. Didn't feel too big, but finally got some nibbles, that's good. Oh, that feels a little bit bigger. Got one? Yes, I got one. Whoa, what the heck? Wait, this is an opaleye. This is a freaking opaleye. Holy crap, I don't even know how big you are. This is the biggest opaleye I've ever caught though, for sure. What's up anglers and anglets, it's your boy Sven and welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to do some rock fishing underneath the hotels up in Monterey. Keeping it simple, just going to do some bait testing with some shrimp and squid on a high-low rig, and then afterwards going to cook up some lunch with a catch and cook. It's a beautiful day, no wind at all, nice cloud cover, very peaceful, super relaxing, lots of tide pools all around. A lot of cool things to see if you're just exploring tide pools. But yeah, let's just go ahead and gear up, get started, and see what we can catch today. But before we get started, let's talk a little bit about safety. As with all rock fishing, you want to make sure you watch where you're going to step. A lot of the terrain is super uneven. Make sure you got appropriate footwear. Anything with a lot of good traction works. Always pay attention to the ocean. There's a lot of spots that are protected from the waves, but you never know when there's going to be a big wave that comes in. So just be mindful of that. If a spot looks wet, just assume it's going to be slippery. Take your time moving around, because the last thing you want to do is get hurt out here and then you can't fish anymore. Always be extra safe. When you're fishing rocky areas, torpedo sinkers are really good because they're really slender and you can thread your way through a lot of the rocks that are submerged. I see a lot of rocks down there. Fish like to hang around structure, so if you find some structure, there might be some fish hanging around over there. Some spots might have fish, some might not, so just cast around until you get some nibbles. Here's first cast. Maybe I shouldn't have chucked it too far because I can't see where all the rocks are. I'm gonna try casting next to the kelp beds over there. A lot of fish like to hide around kelp. It's just annoying to fish next to kelp because you might just get tangled in all the kelp that's there. Now we got some mussels on the top, squid on the bottom. Let's see if this catches anything. Nibble. Or the waves, can't tell. Feels like a nibble though. Didn't feel too big, but finally got some nibbles, that's good. Oh, that feels a little bit bigger. Got one? Yes, I got one. Whoa, what the heck? Wait, this is an opaleye. This is a freaking opaleye. Holy crap, I don't even know how big you are. This is the biggest opaleye I've ever caught though, for sure. Look at this guy. This is a freaking nice opaleye. It looks like he went for the muscle. I've never caught one this big. This has to be at least 14 freaking inches or something. I don't have my measuring tape. It could be even bigger. I'm gonna let this guy go. It's my first fish, and honestly, even if it wasn't, I was gonna let him go anyway. He's too beautiful to keep. And I already have another fish to catch and cook, so let's let you on back. Let me try to find a nice calm spot for you. All right, thanks for playing, chonky boy. Off you go. When I was reeling up, I thought it was like a lingcod or something, or like a nice big rockfish. Did not expect to pull up a huge opaleye. PB opaleye right there. Freaking Monterey, man. Never cease to amaze me. Monterey, baby! Yeah, that's enough fishing. I only wanted to catch one fish anyways. Caught them on mussel too. I actually didn't even know opaleyes went for mussel, but good to know. Most people consider opaleye a vegetarian fish because green peas are a really good bait for them, but they also bite on shrimp, ghost shrimp, and now I know they bite on mussels. Let's just head back and do the catch and cook. I'm still so freaking pumped. I can feel my adrenaline, holy crap. So here's a rockfish that I kept from Coast Guard Jetty a couple days ago, and we're gonna make a nice soup out of it. All I'm gonna do is defin him, gut him, scale him, and well, that's about it. So let's go ahead and clean him up. So for today's recipe, I'm gonna do a Vietnamese sweet and sour soup. Traditionally, you use catfish. At least my dad always uses catfish when he makes this. But I feel like a rockfish would be a good substitute. This is also going to be a makeshift recipe. Walmart didn't have all the normal ingredients that you would use for this, so I have a whole bunch of other substitutes as well. Okay, so this is where things get weird. I could not find any tamarind soup mix, tamarind paste, or anything at all. So I got some Jarritos tamarind flavored soda, which I think would be a nice substitute because I also needed to add sugar to this for some of the sweetness, but soda's already sweet, so this probably would work just as well. Tamarind is usually the key ingredient for sweet and sour soup. Traditionally, it's called Canh Chua, literally translates to sour soup. I got some lime, and I'm gonna add that in to substitute the lemoniness. Turn your heat on high, and now we just wait for it to boil. Cool, I think it's starting to rain a bit too. And we're all done. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. A little tiny piece of fish. Hey, that's actually not that bad. Rockfish is really mild, flaky, very blank canvasy, so you can do a lot with it. Probably should have added a little bit more lime though. The whole point of Canh Chua is for the sourness to come out. Tamarind paste or tamarind soup base is very sour, and then you add all the other stuff to kind of sweeten it out. Overall, not bad. Let's go ahead and taste the soup. A little bit of soup. Oh yeah, definitely need to add a lot more lime. But the sweetness is very pleasant. I can taste the tamarind coming out from the soda. Overall, not a bad catch and cook at all. Because I am using makeshift ingredients, I'd probably give this like a 7 out of 10. Definitely needs a lot more tamarind taste to it. Really good dish if you've just been fishing in the cold. Really warms you up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera, sit back, enjoy the soup, and listen to the rain and the waves. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Let me get a little bit more soup.